Here's the Echo Spot. Let's do the unboxing after this. Alright, welcome back. On this channel I do a lot of helpful tutorials and detailed unboxings just like this one. If you're new, consider subscribing right there. So we got the Echo Spot, similar to the Amazon Echo Dot, but this one has a couple of more features. With that being said, the price tag is also a little bit higher than the Echo Dot. So let's get to the unboxing and I'll show you what's new in this compared to the Echo Dot. You got that Amazon logo at the top, Amazon on the side. Okay. And here we have it, the device by itself. It's a little bit heavy compared to the other one, primarily because there's a lot more features in terms of hardware added to this one. As with any Amazon device, it's always better and you get more out of the device if you have a Prime membership. So with the Prime membership, you can listen to music on here. If you have an Audible account, you can use that to listen to your audiobooks through here. You can view your calendars, and then your simple tasks such as setting up alarms, asking what the weather's like, doing timers, so on and so forth. So here's the device. So at the front, what we have is a 2.5-inch screen as well as a 35.6mm speaker. At the end of the day, a screen is a screen. Even though it's a really small screen, you can actually play your Amazon videos off of this screen. So you got your device, and then inside you'll have your audio cables required to power up the device. You got the cables at the back. And then here we have instructions manual and everything extra. Shows you how to set up the device. If you're new to the smart speaker world, it gives you a couple of commands to get you started. And then your warranty guide in here. All right, so besides that, we have our wall outlet and then a in port for the device. So I'm gonna plug it in and I'll be right back in one quick second. All right guys, so we're back. So overall, the speaker is a plastic build. It seems like it's a plastic build. And at the bottom you have rubber, so it's not gonna move anywhere. If you put it on the table, it's very sturdy, it's not gonna move with that rubber bottom. So I'm gonna plug it in. At the top you have a volume up, volume down, as well as a button to mute your audio as well as the video, because we have a camera up here. And then at the back you get your Amazon logo, and here's the power input. So here we go. Okay, so now that we are plugged in, it says Echo. I'm gonna take this off.
Hello, ready for setup.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go English Canada, because I live in Vancouver. And then I'm just gonna do the setup on the device. It's a little bit different compared to the other ones where Echo Dot. If you haven't seen that setup, I'll leave it up here. I actually had to use my iPhone to set it up. You can use your Android device as well, but by having this screen here, you're able to select whatever Wi-Fi you have, and then you can enter the password and press done. Also, I totally forgot to mention, this device is also capable of capturing 5G bandwidth, so that's a really good plus, and that way your transfers as well as your streaming on this device will be really fast if you do have a fast connection. So let me just put the password in, I'll be back in one quick second. Alright, so I put the password in, let's say it's saying connecting, and it's going to ask you for your Amazon account. I'm going to put my stuff in here, I'll be back in one quick second. Okay, so since my Amazon account requires a two-step verification, the code is sent to my iPhone, and I'm just going to put this down for one quick second. And on my iPhone it actually shows the Amazon code, so it's 855784. So I'm going to go back to it. 855784. Okay, so it's registering, and then it says my name, Mayank. Tapping yes, that's me, and it's loading right now. I live in North America, yes, Pacific Daylight Time in Vancouver. Now it's asking me to name the device. I'm gonna leave it as it is. Next, as with any new device, there's always updates that have happened after you've purchased it. So the device right now is gonna go through an update process. Install now. Let's see how it's not
As
gonna
I
take.
install the updates, this device will restart twice.
Okay, like I said, after it's done installing the update, it's gonna restart twice. So while we wait, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're using a device like this or some other smart speaker device. So just looking at it, it's loading, it has a circle. It did feel a little bit weird using a circle screen to type my password in. There's nothing wrong with that, it's just the way that it's been designed, and I'm used to my iPhone or any rectangular device. So it might be a little bit weird when you're first using it. You'll get used to it, don't worry. Alright, so while we update, hit that like button and make sure you subscribe. It's still updating, so I'm just going to fast forward through this process so we don't have to wait. We're back, so it's updated. It's just restarting right now. So while it restarts, there's no big difference between this speaker and the Echo Dot per se. The biggest difference that you'll notice right off the bat is the screen, as well as there's a camera up here. As well as the Echo Dot has a 15mm speaker. This one has obviously a little bit of a bigger speaker, you can tell by the size of the device. So it's a 35.6mm speaker. So right now it's just optimizing. So in terms of a size, I'd probably say this is the size of a baseball. Alright, so we're back and here we are. So introducing the Echo Spot, and it's going to play a little video for us.
Amazon Echo Spot. A stylish compact Echo with a screen that's designed to fit anywhere, like on your office desk or nightstand. Alexa helps you do more with your voice. Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
Today, there are 2 events. At 8 a.m., there's a call with Grandma, and at 4 p.m., there's Ben's soccer game.
Or use room-to-room calling to check in on the family. Alexa, drop in on the kitchen. And now, you can easily call most numbers in Canada, the US, or Mexico from your Echo device to their home or mobile phone at no additional cost. Alexa, call Grandma's home phone.
Calling Grandma's home phone.
Ready for some music? Just ask for a song, artist, or genre from your favorite music service. And with multi-room music, you can play your favorite songs on supported Echo devices in different rooms. Alexa, play The Weeknd on Bedroom Echo.
Playing songs by The Weeknd on Bedroom Echo.
You can automate your smart home using the Alexa app. After setting up your compatible smart home devices, just create a routine that will help you do multiple things with one phrase. For example, say, Alexa, good night. To lock the front door and turn off the downstairs lights. Then set a music alarm to wake you up. Alexa, wake me up at 7 a.m. tomorrow with Post Malone.
Alarm set for 7 a.m. tomorrow to Post Malone.
With a growing selection of clock faces and thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter. Explore skills in your Alexa app. Or ask, Alexa, recommend some skills. To get a list of things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? And when you want to go back to the home screen, say, Alexa, go home. Enjoy your new Echo Spot.
Alright guys, we're back. And then here it is. Here's the Echo Spot.
This device is ready.
And like Alexa said, this device is ready. Alright guys, here you have the device. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing. If you did, hit that like button and leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about this particular device. I'm going to be doing a comparison of this with the Dot in the upcoming videos, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any other content. As always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next one. Goodbye.